Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 10, and name of the chapter 10 is the motion and measurement of distance. And in last topic, I discussed about the uh, how to measure length accurately with a meter scale. And you can see 10.8 sources of error in measuring length. And after that, I will start activity 3. So activity 3 is given to measure the length of a curved line using a thread. How you will take the length of a curved line. So for this material require white sheet of paper on which a curved line is drawn, and a thin and a strong cotton thread, about 10 common pins, a scale or half meter rod, drawing board or foam board. These are the materials required for the activity. What is the method? Fix common pins on the sharp turning of the curved line. First you will take the curved thread, and if line is drawn like this, then you will take the thread and you have to put the point like this, and after that in diagram it is given that how you will take the measurement of a curved line. So first you will take the thread, and how line is drawn according to put the thread. So you will see that fix common pins on the table and sharp turning of the curved line, and then you will see that it is A, B, C, D, E, F, and these are the pins fixed on the curved line. And now tie a knot with cotton thread at the common pin A, and using fingers of both hands move the thread along the curved line such that it goes around pins B, C, D, E, F, etc. Care should be taken that the thread is neither too tight. If you will too tight, then it will break, and not too loose. If it will loose, then you can't take the accurate measurement. When moved along the curved line, and when the thread reaches the extreme end of the curved line, cut it from that point. And after that you have to cut and then remove the thread from the point A, and then it place straight along the length of a half meter scale. Then you will see that the length of the thread is equal to the length of a curved line. The length of the thread is equal to the length of the curved line. Now activity 4. Activity 4, it is given that how you will take the measurement the length of a curved line using a divider. How you will use the divider? So it is given on page number 124. What are the materials required for the activity? So materials required for the activity, you can see that white sheet of paper on which a curved line is drawn, divider from a geometry box. What is the method? Open the arms of divider such that the distance between its 2 points is 4 mm, and place the pointed needle of one arm at the point A of the curved line. Then after, now place the pointed needle of the other arm on the line, say at point B. First you will take the divider and you have to put like this in between A to B, then B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to G. Go on moving the divider along the curved line to the point C, D, E, F, etc. and count the numbers of times the divider has to be taken along the curved line to cover its entire length, and in the present case the divider has moved 5 times A to F, and then you will see that how much time it is moved. Thus the length of the line from A to F, length of the line from the point A to F, you can see that 5 into 4 mm, that is the 20 millimeter, and measure the distance FG by adjusting the arms of the divider, because that length is short in comparison to other, and let us assume that it is 3 mm. So the total length of the curved line is 20 plus 3, that is the 23 mm. I think all of you understood activity. Activity is very easy, and it comes in the exam also. Activity 3 and activity 4 you will read. And now come to the did you know. There are a number of articles like clothes, laces, iron and plastic pipes which are sold by the length. Whenever you decide to buy such articles, ensure that the meter scale used in correct meter scale has the sign on both ends. An incorrect scale may not have the arrow sign. Which one is correct meter scale? Both the ends arrow sign is there, and if incorrect meter scale is there, then arrow sign is not there. So an incorrect meter scale may not have the arrow signs on one or both ends, as the dishonest shopkeepers cut off the ends, and this results in the short measurements. Thus, you must ensure that the meter scale used by the shopkeeper is a proper one with the government stamp and arrow heads indicating 0 and 100 centimeter marks. Now we will discuss about the motion. What is the motion? So you know that movement is there. So movement, we can't say all living things show movement. Plants, animals, human beings, all living things show movement. So the movement in case of animals can be easily seen. In case of animals, movement you can see easily, but in plants you can't see the movement. But plants is living thing, so movement is there, because these are the characteristic feature of the living thing. So the movement in case of plants is very, very slow, and it is hardly visible. And among non-living things, the air shows movement when it blows hard, and the water shows movement when it flows. Similarly, the trains, the buses, the cars, the scooters, the aeroplane and the sailing ships move with the energy of petroleum products, and the fans, the electric motors, the lifts, the escalators and a large number of electric devices produce motion by using electric energy. And you must have observed that motion produced by different objects is different. For example, car moving on a straight road produces a straight line rectilinear motion. If car is going in the straight line, then it shows rectilinear motion. Similarly, a swing produces a to and fro motion, but the wire of a violin on plucking produces a vibratory motion. Before we discuss motion and rest, let us try to understand what is really meant by the terms rest and motion. So all of you take revision till here, and today I have given activity 3 and activity 4, and you will take revision of these two activities and introduction to motion, about the movement. So all of you take revision till here, and tomorrow I will discuss about what is rest and what is motion. So all of you take revision till here.